All right, story time. But before that, I want to say real quick, shout out to my real hitters that actually be supporting me, man. Like, I really appreciate y'all for sure. But we got to talk about CES, man, because that was a hell of a time for sure. So as y'all know, I went to CES 2025 and like, just first off, I want to say real quick, all the events and everything I was invited to, I want to say thank you to like Sony and whoever else invited me. I think it was like TCL and whatever. I went to that TCL thing at the Legion Stadium. That was dope. And like all the folks I saw again, like all the new people, the old people that I knew already, like shout out to everybody for real. It was a hell of a time, but the reason I really go out there is for business. So I don't even really be having time to do nothing in Vegas or nothing like that. I'm just like out there at the convention center at Venetian or whatever it is I'm doing. Whatever it is, it's probably gonna end up benefiting my YouTube channel. So that's what I'm pretty much doing. I'm trying to have some fun here and there, but at the same time though, like it get busy, bro. But one main reason I went to CES is because I wanted to go ahead and record. Oh, what's good, Melly? My dog came down here. What's good? Melly, come here. Look at you. He made a comeback. It's been a minute since he been on my channel, bro. What's good with it, man? Hey, what's good? What's good with it? What's on your nose? Your dog here. Oh, I hate his dog here. Get everywhere. But like I said, I pretty much just go out to Vegas for business, like CES anyway. I go out there to network. I meet up with companies. Like I have meetings or whatever. Like it's busy, man. And it's surprising how busy I am for like the size of my channel. So I would imagine as I get bigger, it will be wild, man. I don't even want to know what that's going to be like, sponsorships and whatever. Anyway, I'm getting off track. The reason I'm making this video right now is because I wanted to talk about why I am lacking CES content right now. Because last time I did that, like I went to CES, I had a lot of content. This year, I still got content, so I got one Govey video I think I gotta edit, and I might have something else, but that's pretty much it. And the reason why is because I lost this thing. And that hurt like a bitch. So yeah, pretty much like I've been going to CES and I be taking like my Sony camera that I'm recording on right now. So this is my Sony ZV-1 I'm recording on. That's what I record my YouTube videos on, and that's why I usually bring the CES. But I ain't want to bring that big camera with the microphones and everything. Like I was straight on that. I just want to go ahead and get a small camera like this, and I did a YouTube video on this too. But yeah, I didn't want to bring around my Sony, and I wanted something more portable and lighter, because like when you walking around CES, not only do your feet hurt, but if you got like enough stuff in your bag, then your shoulders gonna hurt too. And I got like a decent Nike bag that I think I bought from like Caesar's Palace like maybe 2 or 3 years ago, something like that. Like it's a nice bag, and it's got like good shoulder support and all that. But at the end of the day, CES gonna be CES, and it's a lot going on, man. It's a lot of walking, and like I be carrying like my camera, I be carrying my laptop so I can edit while I'm there, and like all this stuff, and my portable charger, whatever. But yeah, one of the things that I had was this camera right here, and it was clutch. So if you actually watch my YouTube video, it's sad because that was actually recorded with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and that was probably like the only video y'all gonna see. The only video y'all gonna see recorded from that anyway, because like I was recording with that DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I love this thing because I can not only make YouTube shorts and TikToks and all that, but I could just flip the screen and I could just make regular videos like that. It's a dope camera, man. I love the Osmo Pocket 3, and I think it's the perfect CES camera until you lose it, because that's what I did. And I'm clumsy and I got ADHD, so I think that's probably got something to do with it. But I went to this thing called Showstopper. So they got it at the Bellagio in Vegas. It's kind of like a side CES thing where like a whole bunch of companies go there, even like Michael Fisher with his Clicks keyboard case. And I actually did a video on that, and I don't got it no more because I lost this. So you're probably wondering like, why can't I just pull it up? Because I got this with me right now. That's because I just got this thing. I just had to buy it again, and like, guess how much this thing is? So like, not only did it hurt because I lost the whole camera with my SD card in it, so like all my footage is gone, but I spent 680 bucks for this creator combo, and I just had to pay that again. I don't got money like that. I don't know what YouTubers y'all be watching, but I ain't got that bread, all right? Can't nobody be affording no $680 camera like that twice, especially. Like, that was an investment for my channel, and it looked dope with the content that I got. I'm just mad that I'm clumsy, and I think I left it at a table at Showstoppers, so if you watching this right now, you stole my shit, give it back to me, because I need that back. But trust me, man, I was devastated. Like I said, not only did I lose all my coverage, but I lost the camera itself. Do you know how expensive that thing is? Well, you do, I just told you. But bro, not only did I lose the camera, but I lost the whole case that goes to it. In the whole case, the creator combo, it comes with this tripod, it comes with the battery pack, it comes like a DJI microphone, it comes with all that. So they basically got everything in that creator combo. They got a nice value. Somebody stole my shit, because I went to the lost and found and they could not find it. So I think it's just gone forever. Unless you watch this, you return it. Because I'm telling you, karma is a bitch, and it will get you. So you better return it now before it's too late. Now, I'm actually in my whip right now, and I forgot to mention what, in my opinion, I feel like is a pretty important part of the story, which is At what point did I even realize it was gone? So when I left Showstoppers, I took an Uber over to Allegiant Stadium, which is where TCO had their little private party or whatever. I think Lil Jon was actually over there. But like when you actually walk up in the stadium, there's like this little booth or whatever where you gotta like put your bag on the table and they got like security scanners and all that and whatever. So like I go to put my bag on the table and all of a sudden I just hear this small ass just like, hi, in the background. And this just happened to be Justine's sister, you know, Jenna Zeri. I was just like, what the hell? How you doing? So we just gave each other a hug and like we met like a few times already. So like, I don't know, she pretty cool people. And Justine, she's cool too for sure. But yeah, bro, so like I put my bag on the table and I looked in there and I was just like, oh snap, where the hell is my camera at? Cause I didn't see it. And it was at that moment I left that Showstoppers cause I called my Uber driver, he said he ain't find it. So I'm gonna just go off his word and say that he can find it. So I'm assuming I left that Showstoppers. And to keep it 100 with you, bro, like it seemed like something I would do. So yeah, that's when I found out that I lost my camera. I at least just want my SD card back. I think it was like a Samsung or a SanDisk, but just at least give me my SD card back cause I had some decent coverage on there. Like it was like a mini LED TV where like they took off the panels while it was on. Everything. I showed off my boy Michael Fisher's Clicks keyboard. Shout out to Michael Fisher, by the way, like we cool for sure, and that's my homie for real. I showed off a lot of dope stuff and I wanted to go ahead and do my video on all that, but now I can't because I lost it. And that's not even the only thing that I lost. I lost this too, and thankfully I got this back. I found this at the Lost and Found, but I left this at Samsung. So should I put his business out there? Actually, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna put his business out there. So Simply Pops, shout out to my boy Simply Pops, but he lost his glasses case, and I think I lost my whole glasses in the case probably like 20 minutes later. I was trying to help him find it or whatever, and then like I went to the Samsung event with him, and I think it was after the Samsung event, I don't know what in my head thought like, maybe this man lost his glasses case, so maybe I should just lose my glasses entirely. And that would have hurt too. These is $400 glasses. I love my Ray-Ban medicine. Thank God that I went ahead and got these back. Shout out to the dude that was actually cleaning up at Samsung and he found them for me and turned it in. But yeah, if you're wondering what my CES coverage is, I don't know. You'd have to tell me. So if you're watching this video, like I said, and you took my camera, bring it back, bro. But it's probably in fucking Sweden or China or something by now, bro. I know somebody took it. I guarantee you they took it and they already formatted the SD card. So that sucks, but I don't know, man. It is what it is. But I'm just like, bro, you know that folks be over here for business and they be recording content for the companies and all that. So imagine if I worked for a company and I lost like the camera with the footage and everything. Easily fired. Some folks just don't care, man. It sucks, but like, I don't know, man. So that's why I got another one and like, that's why I'm without coverage right now. But I mean, better luck next year, I guess. Anyway, man, I appreciate y'all for watching. I just want to go and let y'all know something real quick and let me know what you think about this. So I'm recording on my desk right now. I don't know. I just wanted to switch it up from like the bar and whatever else that I recorded at. My girl gave me that suggestion, so that's what I'm doing right now. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but I kind of got some lights going on in the background. It's a speaker that I got. It's like some little Family Dollar speaker and it's still working. Shout out to my girl for giving me that suggestion to go ahead and switch it up with the background and everything. I just want to go ahead and try something new again. But like I said, y'all be smooth, man, because I got to get up out of here. So I'll get up with y'all later. Peace out.